for set the time. From here you have to move this bezel. Lose this and just get out. Then here everywhere it's a country's time zone. Here is 24 time zones. So suppose time setting for Philippines. So it's Hong Kong for Philippines. So you have to move it. It's a Hong Kong here. Hope you'll see clearly.
Yeah, Hong Kong.
Then just press this button inside. The time will set automatically.
You need to lock it again.
And lock it.
Okay.
And
How about if I want manual adjustment? Not like by cities.
okay.
I want manual.
So the same process. You have to unlock this one first.
Okay.
Then
Okay. You will move the hour and the minute and the second, right?
yes.
Okay. So, what we will do first? Unlock the
You'll have
crown.
to unlock the watch.
Unlock the crown.
Then long press this adjust button.
Okay.
This button long press. When it will beep, you have to
Alright.
select from here what you want to set, like minutes,
Okay.
dates, time,
Okay.
and everything you can set from here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then how about if I want to adjust the minutes? I will
Hours and minutes.
rotate the crown.
Yeah, you have to remove
Okay.
this one.
Then
See, the minutes will
the
be.
minute,
No.
yeah, it's moving. How about the hour?
About the hour, you'll have to just press one. It
Okay.
will go into the hour.
Okay.
Then again move this one.
Okay.
So it will be set by hours.
Okay.
Then
Next.
here is the year
The year, yeah.
2020. The
The
date
day
and the
the month.
month.
The month and the
Okay.
day.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then you have to just press this button.
Press again.
The time will set
Okay.
automatically.
Okay.
Okay.
So how about the compass? Because that one there is compass, right?
Yeah. For this button, there
Okay.
is the compass button. It will
Alright.
just press once. It will show you. This will tell you the direction. If you move the watch, here you can see. It will show you the southeast.
Digital also.
128 degrees
Yes.
of southwest.
Okay.
If you want north face, you have to move it.
Okay.
It's a north face.
So what else?
Okay.
Altimeter. I think you need to go back to Hong Kong.
Just for the altimeter,
Okay.
will show you from the sea level, the height from
Above
the
sea level, huh?
Yes, it's 212 meters
Okay.
from the sea level. Then
Okay. So every time you press the function, you need to go home time.
yes,
Okay.
want to go in another. Then if you want to check the temperature,
Go
first it will show you the barometer.
barometer, huh?
Okay, this is also from the sea level.
Wind pressure, right?
Yeah.
Pressure.
Then
Okay.
here is the temperature. If you press
Temperature.
this button,
It's a
and it
weather
will-
temperature, right?
No, it's a room temperature. It will show you a room temperature. If you go outside, it will show you
yeah.
the outside temperature.
Yeah,
But
whether
right now it will
if
show
you
you.
are in the outdoor, so that is
Yeah,
weather
it will show you right
okay?
now. It's room temperature.
Okay. Anyway, stopwatch.
Stopwatch.
That stopwatch.
Uh, start.
Which
stop.
button you press for the stopwatch?
This one.
Okay, start.
Okay, start.
Stop.
Stop.
So one button. Make it 0.
Reset.
Reset.
Start. Stop. Reset.
Okay.
Start. Stop. Reset.
So next.
Timer. Same
Timer.
thing.
Okay.
Start. Stop. reset.
Okay.
Okay.
Also that button you are using, no? Same
Alarm.
button? No, the timer. You are using same
The
button.
timer, same button. Start,
Okay.
stop, and reset.
Okay.
Start, stop, reset.
Okay, clear.
Okay. Then it's an alarm.
Alarm,
If you
yeah.
want to on the alarm, you have to press the
Press it one
button.
by one, don't close your hand to the other button.
Yeah.
Okay, one by one. Which
This one is alarm. If
Okay.
you want to turn it off, just press once this button.
Okay.
It will be off. If
Okay.
you want it on, it
If
will
you
be
want to
on.
adjust the
Yeah. If you
time,
want to set the time, you have to unlock the watch.
and you can change.
Yes, you can
Oh.
change by this one. Okay.
Oh,
Come
okay,
here.
okay, done.
So you
So
can
it's
change
clear.
it.
So what about the features of that watch?
It has 200-meter water resistant, shock resistant, stopwatch, countdown timer,
Okay.
world time, alarm, and light. Then the additional features is solar power, wave scepter. Wave scepter, it means if you travel to country that is China, Japan, Europe, and America, the time will set automatically because they have the watch towers. They have watch tower.
The radio
So
control
yeah,
tower,
radio
right?
control tower.
Okay.
So it will be set automatically.
Okay. Oh,
Then-
very nice watch, huh?
Yeah. Then it has altimeter, barometer, thermometer, and compass. Then it and the solar power watch. The watch will be charged automatically by the sunlight.
Okay.
And the screen is sapphire crystal.
Okay.
Okay.
Ah, anti-scratch.
Yeah. And this one is
Scratch
vibration
resistant.
resist also.
Oh, okay.
Any vibration will not affect the watch.
Do you have any color of that?
Yeah, there is 3 color available. The one is full black, and the second is with como, the green camouflage. Yeah, there is some limited edition
Okay,
also.
Mr. Sohail, can you introduce yourself? Where are you from? how
My
long
name
you
is
work in G-Shock?
Mohammad Sohail, and I'm from India. Right now, I was working in G-Shock watches from last 2 years. And,
So, all the watches you know how to adjust, right?
yeah,
Yeah, so
almost all the watches
very good.
we know how to work.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Suhail.
Most
Mga kasakto, meron kayong natutunang